Good afternoon, friends. Today we will see about the calendars. In calendars, we see the names like year, month, and week, day. So, a year means 365 days, month means 30 days, week means 7 days, day means 24 hours. Anyone get a doubt like why an year has 365 days? Why a month has 30 days? Why a week has 7 days? Why a day should be 24 hours? We can put any other numbers. An year may be 200 days, an year may be 100 days. If you put 100 days, what will happen? If you put 200 days, what will happen? Why they have taken a periodicity of 365 days in a year and a month of 30 days as a periodicity and a 7 days as a week and a 24 hours as a day. So there is a reason behind this. So today in this video we will see the reason behind this. The first thing we will see is an year. So how an year is decided? Year is decided by the motion of the earth around the sun. Earth takes nearly 365 days to complete one revolution around the sun. That's where the year comes. It's nearly 365 days. Exact thing is something else, 365 point something. So usually people say 365 days. That's where an year is formed. And you get a doubt of why month has 30 days, how a month is they have taken. Month is decided by the movement of moon around the earth. Moon is a satellite to the earth. Moon takes 27.3 days approximately to revolve around the earth, one complete revolution. Based on the moon movement, the month is decided. If you see the month, in a month there is a moon movements are there. In India, full moon is called Paurnima, no moon is called Amavasya. So you can see the moon movements in a month. So these moon movements are repeated for every month. So if you see the month, this is the reason. And if you see the week, why they have taken 7 days in a week, there is a reason. So this reason is based on the planetary motion around the earth. This week, how they decided 7 days, 7 period, this is decided by the ancient people. They're looking into the sky with a deeper reverence and intuition. The sky has 7 visible objects in that sky. They can see that 7 visible objects and their cyclicity they have seen. The 7 visible objects are Saturn, Jupiter, Mars, Sun, Venus, Mercury, Moon. These are arranged according to their speed of the planets. Means Saturn is the fastest one, Jupiter is the second fastest one, Mars is the third fastest one, Sun is the fourth fastest one. So you know that a day has 24 hours. So the first fastest one will visible to the naked eye, and the second fastest one is visible in the second hour. If the third fastest one is visible in the third hour, then if you put these things in a order, Saturn first hour of the first day, Jupiter in the second hour, Mars in the third hour, In the fourth hour, Sun is there. Fifth hour, Venus is there. So if you see all these movements, in the second day, first hour, we can see the Sun. In the third day, first hour, we can see the moon. If you see the names of the days also, Ravivar, Sun is the first at that day. Somavar, moon is the first at that day. Mangalavar, Mangal Grah is the first at that day. And Budhavar, Guruvar, it's like it is first visible at that day. This through the naked eye of the our ancient people. So they named it as like this: Ravivar, Sun, and Somavar, Moon, and Mangalavar, Budhavar, Guruvar, Sukravar. Usually in the Indian mythology, they call Dinapati. For Ravivar, Ravi is the Dinapati. For Somavar, Moon is the Dinapati. So like this only, like Shukravar, Shukra is the Dinapati. How a day is measured? This is a simple thing. Earth takes 24 hours to revolve around its own. Means like to rotate around its own axis 360 degrees. Earth takes 24 hours. That's where day and night is formed. So this is the day, and some people has a doubt of why an hour has 60 minutes. Why not 100 minutes? Why not some 200 minutes? Why an hour has only 60 minutes? If you see, this 60 comes from a very old tradition. People, civilizations started measuring the time. Egyptians started measuring the time, and they have come up with sundial also. If you see the sundial through the sun, when a sun rays fall on a object, there is shadow is there. Based on the shadow, they started estimating the time. These type of things are there. But Babylonians comes up with this 60 concept. Babylonians measured the time, and they have a sexagesimal system. Sexagesimal system means 60 powers. Their measurement is 60. Their measurement is in 60s. Means our measurement system currently is decimal system. Decimal system means, suppose uh, we split our number into 10 powers. 10 power 0, 10 power 1, 10 power 2, 10 power 3, like this. So they split their numbers into sexagesimal systems: 60, 60 power 1, 60 power 2, 60 power 3, 60 power 4. Different number systems are there. If you see the other number system, binary number system is there: 2 power 0, 2 power 1, 2 power 2, 2 power 3, 2 power 4, 2 power 5. And hexadecimal systems are there: 16 power 0, 16 power 1, 16 power 2, 16 power 3. These are all there. So Babylonians use sexagesimal systems. It is in 60 powers. That's why they divide the hour into 60 minutes, and they divide a minute into 60 seconds. And other thing is, dividing a 60 is very easy. Dividing into fractions. If you take 100, half an hour 50 minutes, and 1 by 3rd is 33.3 minutes, and 1/4 25 minutes, 1/5 20 minutes, 1/6, then 100 by 6th. There's many fractions are coming which cannot be unbreakable. If you take 100 minutes, if you take 60, 1 by 2 30, 1 by 3 20, 1 by 4 15, 1 by 5 12 minutes, 1 by 6 10 minutes, and 60 can be broken into pieces very easily. What is a second? How they define? If the measuring second is also an important, maybe it is not important for you, but for the people who working in launching a rocket, who working in the space things, for them the second is very important. Launching time is very important. The accuracy of the time is very important. So that's why without an error they measured the second to use the time. So how they define the second? They define the second as a time elapsed during the 9.192631170 into 10 power 9 cycles when a cesium atom is subjected to a radiation. This many cycles it will rotate. The electron will rotate this many cycles in cesium atom. So that amount of time they call it as 1 second. 1 second is equal to 9 into 10 power 9 cycles taken by the electron in a CGS atom. It is used in atomic clock. It is used for an astronomical purpose while launching a rocket and all this stuff. So if you see Indian calendars also has interesting things. They have also a detailed explanation of time. They have a panchangas, means 5 parts. First one is tithi. This tithi is defined based on the relative motion between the moon and sun. And nakshatras, there are 27 nakshatras are there in Indian calendar. These nakshatras, maybe that can be seen through the naked eye. And other thing is vara, Ravivar, Somavar, these are the vara. Yoga, Karana, the 5 angas are there. So Indian calendars are also an interesting calendars. They have a detailed explanation of the time. So if you have a time, you look at the Indian calendars. Maybe if you want to discuss about these 5 parts, it may take some more time. So India also has a good astronomers like Aryabhatta and many other astronomers are there. I don't remember name, but India has also good astronomical knowledge is there. Some text is also there. We can see the good amount of astronomical things regarding in India. So by these things we can end this video. If you want Indian calendars, we can make it in other video. Thank you. Thank you for listening to this video. Thank you.